What up, fam? This is Toy with Toy's Food Chronicles, and today we are celebrating the actual Mexican Independence Day. For those of you who don't know, a lot of people think Cinco de Mayo is Mexican Independence Day. It is not. So today, what we are making for Mexican Independence Day is Mole de Oya. It's kind of a soupy blend of guajillo chilies. I personally put my own little spin on it. This is not in Mexico. I put a little bit of achiote paste because I want that to be like a deeper red. You put your onions in there, garlic cloves, and you boil that is what I'm doing. Then we're taking our chicken, cebolla or onion, green beans, squash, and we are putting that in the pot and we're gonna do a boil with that. Welcome to Toy's Food Chronicles. Once again, my name is Toy, and we are here to bring together people through the soul and spirit of food. I am excited to get into this cook today. Get ready with me. Today, once again, we're making Mole de Oya. And so I already have the guajillo chiles on. They've already boiled. Bouillon cube, pollo is what we use, or chicken bouillon cube. We also had a couple of cloves of garlic, paprika, achiote paste. This is a soup type dish. So some of the main things that we're gonna be using, obviously, we got cebolla or onion. I don't know what this is called in Spanish, but here we call it squash. Then we got some ears of corn. Green beans, my friends. These are the green beans. You gotta cut the ends off. Obviously, we have our pollo. We have our chicken. Now I'm gonna do a serious take. Squash, 2 ears of corn that we're gonna chop. Green beans, our pollo, which is chicken. Awesome, let's get started. So people talk about seeing me and seeing the food be chopped at the same time. So I'm gonna try to do this. I'm cutting some onions right now. You're getting to still see me if that's what you want. You know, that's what I was told was wanted. I'm okay with that, that's cool. I'm here for you guys. Let's chop up some onion. To the squash, I think when you say squash, it's plural either way. Because squash just doesn't sound right to me in my head. However, these don't have to be cut down too small. They can be pretty thick pieces actually. So you're not cutting them kind of like how we do cucumber and things like that, where you make them into little chunks and then you can put them over your eyes and wear them as makeup or whatever to get the bags from under your eyes. You can actually cut them in half and have these almost complete rolls here. And so I cut mine into 3 main pieces, so it'll be pretty thick for the soup. I'm actually gonna cut these in half because my daughter's 2, and she ain't gonna want to eat something that large. So, but they're still rather thick pieces. Here we go. All right. So we got that squash done. Corn chucker, corn husker. This is the husk. So I'm de-husking, technically, so not husking. This is a cob of corn. Corn on the cob, if you will. And this is what's going into our soup. So they looked about this size when I've seen them. So that's the size that I'm creating. Last but not least, We gotta do these green beans, baby. Corn on the cob, corn on the cob, corn on the cob. Boom. Boom. So as I told you before, I'm basically taking the ends that look like this. Focus on that, Cannon. Focus on that, Cannon. Yeah, focus on that. Yeah, that man. Now focus on me. Okay, so anyway, we're taking that little stem off. And so they should be looking like this. Boom, boom, boom. We'll take these pieces, they're pretty large pieces of chicken breast. I'm gonna cut them in 2 ways so that I can get multiple pieces out of them, out of each one. So each piece, to me, is 4 pieces of chicken. So. So we got the chiles guajillos and all of that wonderful, wonderful red goodness in that pot. We're going to start adding our ingredients into this wonderful pot of water. So I got this heating on a little bit over medium heat. I cooked the guajillos on high, brought them up to a boil, and then took it down to a simmer, put it at like a number 2. I don't know how your oven work. Now we're going to start putting in our ingredients. So now is the perfect time for a time lapse. They say that a watch pot never boils. Am I going to prove them wrong today? Am I going to see the watch pot boil? We're going to find out. And voila, look at that. I tell you, watch pots do boil for sure. Look at this. I am so excited. I am going to take these chiles guajillos out, and then I'm going to pour the rest of our mixture in. We are left here with a soup. I hope it doesn't overfill it. And look at that. I didn't take out all the chilies. There's still one left. You know what? That is going to be a flavorful soup. Yum, 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 yum. Now it's time for a recap. What I want to say is felicidades and happy Independence Day to all of my peoples from Mexico. You all are awesome. Just want to say that. Now let's do a recap real quick of everything that we did. And as I am recapping, you are going to see this meal in B-roll like this. So, as you can see, there are squash, there are green beans, there are onions, there is pollo, aka chicken in English, there is corn on the cob, and rice, all in this meal. Some things that you can't see is the chiles guajillo, which provides a lot of flavor. And we did do a little bit of achiote paste for the coloring of our particular soup today. Yeah, we had salt and pepper, and this is what we got. Regular white rice on the side, and we got our limes to squeeze in there and ready for this flavor. I don't get to eat a lot at the end of my episodes, so today I'll allow you to check that out. Now, once again, typically in Mexico, and my father-in-law, the way that he eats this, oh my goodness, they eat it spicy in Mexico. So I didn't put the seeds of the chili guajillos in here. A couple of seeds probably accidentally got in here, but I tell you, I didn't purposely put seeds in here. So whatever level of heat it is whatever seeds got through me. Stir on with my rice. I want to make sure I get a little bit of chicken and some other vegetables on here. So what I got on mine, as you can see, put that in focus. There we go. So I got green beans, I got pollo, I got a little bit of corn on here. Definitely got some onion in here. Excited about that. And now for the taste. Question of the day, what was the last soup you made? And did you like it better than Campbell's? And do you have any suggestions? I'm thinking of doing a couple of things. You tell me what you would like me to do next. I'm thinking of doing a simple sandwich series where we talk about different types of very simple sandwiches that you can put together from all over the world. And then I'm also thinking of doing a simple soup series. So all the triple S's. Which one would you guys like more? Let me know down in the comments. You're awesome. Once again, don't love to be loved, love to love.